Hello, you've got Drac.
You fool, we know who you are, LordDraconical. You have killed many of our cop brethren in your fun video adventures.
What?
We have taken the girl.
Addie?
Girl with the mohawk.
From Foam Blast?
The one who makes all of your motors.
Alright, listen. I don't know who you are. I don't know how many fluid ounces you hold. I don't know how many friends you've got. But I have a very special set of skills. Nerf skills. I will find you. I will nerf you.
Without your motors, there will be no more massacres. With no more massacres, a new day and age of the cup is upon us.
Nobody messes with my high-end parts suppliers. Nobody.
Good thing I take my trusty FDL everywhere. Safety is important. The FDL is the finest in fully 3D printed brushless blaster tech. The best at blasting beverage-based baddies. But first, batteries. I hope there aren't a lot of cups.
I knew this day would come.
Eddie, where are you? Eddie, are you in here? Eddie? Eddie, where are you?
She's definitely in there.
Addie, I saved you!
Falcon!
Let's go!
We did it!
Yeah!
Addie, how did this happen to you?
I don't know.
What? Doesn't make a whole lot of sense. But okay.
We should go.
Alright. Whee!
Uh-oh. I'm out of ammo.
I got this. Oh, thanks for saving me, Drac. That was real scary.
Hey, are the motors okay?
Yeah, they're fine, but we were thinking about maybe revamping them.
Ooh, I mean that could be great. I just do have one question though.
What's that?
Could you do the finger gun thing the whole time?
Yeah.
I like to